You are in which class? Give your introduction.
11th.
So you are in 11. And how
No.
many marks you have scored in class 10?
62%.
64% total. And what
Total
about social science? You are from CBSE board or ICSE?
CBSE.
Okay. So you have scored 64% marks in CBSE board. Okay. So now
Yeah.
you have taken economics as a humanities or in commerce stream.
As a humanities.
Oh, great. So with the economics, what else you have?
Economics and history, political
Very good.
science,
Very
English,
good. Wow.
psychology,
Very good.
and AI.
Great. Great. So uh, economics is a very good subject, and I think you have read in class 10 about economics. But whatever economics we had in class 10, that was very shallow knowledge, a brief introduction of economics. So very simple, if we talks about economics, so limited resources we have and unlimited wants we have. So economics is a study how to manage or how to fulfill our unlimited demands with limited resources. Got it? So hopefully we will enjoy this journey. And anything if you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
No. Acha beta, can you tell me what is your book, matlab authored by? This is NCRT, economics NCRT.
Economics, wait. Economics by Sandeep Garg.
Sandeep Garg.
Hmm.
So hopefully you will enjoy this. And today you want to get the entire class, or this is only introductory?
But ma'am,
You want like one full class, or this is only introduction?
ma'am, introduction, give me introduction.
सर आप रुकिएगा मैम, हाँ